Musha kanjani bathini disemotweni hayi phola sinenge ngichill sisembolweni hayi. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Emotweni all the time. I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, Big Mia, Big Twanini, Big Speo, and today diphethe iliso lemveli Joe. Otherwise, I just want to say welcome to the show, my dog Grand.
Any grand booty good man.
Semotweni line. So iliso lemveli, like what my giants. Can you take me through that, like can you just give us a little intro to abantu like abangakwaziyo out there? Yabo like umbani and where you from?
Okay, I go by the name of Iliso Lemveli bhuti chamaka shati isisengokwalo. Igama lona ngisinamukele. Ifana nguJafta. Iliso Lemveli. Bhuti like Iliso Lemveli mandithi elagama lemele into yoba like liso like elibona like wena ubona uhlobo ubona ngalo mina ndibona deeper nakunawe yabo because like imveli ngabantu bakudala mosibhuti abantu abazi kakhulu
okay
yeah so like Iliso Lemveli lisabe lokama
I see so uthi ngowaphi Joe like
umnatani ngwalapha eWoma tandi khulele yapha eWoma but ngokuhlala ngisuka ngapha eQonce tandi
sure ezaseqonce mfethu la mina ngikwazi like anthanda udlala lapha kulo like anthanda kulo malakhiwe man goza areas aphana la goza khona la yabo and I believe now seku like grade 12 for la final year here Joe la
really hectic
pressure la go pressure la like
too much like ngone so camp 12 days ngikwazi nosebenza funeka ni multitask ngapha man.
But guys, it's called number 1, dog. And I believe you're the youngest guest on the show. Like, how old are you? 18 this year.
18.
Oh yeah, I listen to them. Okay, give us again. So like, that's bonny videos are like Woma Giants, yeah. So how did that start? Yeah, and before singing like, what would you say we know? Like abanye band was a rapper, podcaster, like we now we do lie.
Nahmani. Ino noyithetha ngami mina ngathi amesiyenga ta ndiyeke into yeliso lemveli yabo like mina mesiyenga xa ngicula igwisha khona yabo ndingumuntu wegwisha mina ta khona yabo into yeliso lemveli khona nami like into nje yoshowcase talent lapha eWoma khona yabo so like izakwenza yonke into ezaphumelelisa amachita yabo ayizokhetha amacala yabo so izaba iphotographer ibe interviewer zonke zawi zizasibeka nje bama sibe semehlweni abantu khona
swim la so when did you qala nini la like when did it actually start and what made you ba manenzeliwe
so like khona yabo into enoyithetha yabo nambe nidlala ibhola khona yabo ukukhula kwami so naqona ayinto yami manje so like akhona into mandiyenze yabo so like ndabona like khona le film bike yaphuma ngoku Queenstown Kings lamchita phana kuze athathwa asiwe ku Sundowns ujongwe over inondoni over social media ta mana ngojonge clips zakhe la yabo so like ngiyabona ngoba okay izicouts azibeninzi apho yabo ukuze amajita akwazi ufikeleleka funeke ibe into yasenononi yasefonini ukuze bamawafunyane khona yabo so like ichome yami specific vuthuza nguye umuntu wemani ngoyembukela pha ebaleni yabo ndimani ngomvideo right so ndaqonda man how about ndithathe lento ndiyenza apha kwi-stands ndithathe into ifake ebaleni
sure
ndashuta ke khotman ngongumei khotman ndaqonda man ndiyenza mna choice
and then go like after that like we shoot that mama nzenza nona but we like decided about my postage like as a editing like where did it come from na la background cause qali we yakhe igama la like
okay ithi la ay kuba name of Iliso Lemveli namhlanje ndivuke ndikustimela sasezolo yabo la we khotman la we iwenye khotman onke emzoyana like lapho ura yiyo bethe zawi baka TikTok yabo so like ndayibona ba okay kuze like ndikwazi ubetha iprofile emchita ngivele nithathe la wenza ngila khona ndiyenze ngendlela yami yabo ndibethe ndifake pha then ndazibona namba wase nechomo ezimbongi so mana ngofumana abantu bone advice ba okay bunoyibetha le video yakhe nga right
Inswemu Joe we enjoy inswemu like I can't believe yenza ngokumejo.
Ndiqala ngomei khotman nami into yenzeke fast ngyo. Yenzeke fast nyani.
Liso lemveli lawe. And then like basically a profile players and you joy data la way Joe like and your theater like with le way your theater wakho like you joy theater like akale like ikone theater kahle but like player la way like
yeah khotman. Ndithatha ama notes khotman. Nami ngithathe ebantwini khotman nami ndidibanise ngezinto yami.
Inswemu Joe. And then interview okuzona dabona nge-interview kwami kuRo la yabona like no ghosta la phakho
ngalamini final yabo i-interview ndandixelile into yayingaplanwanga
issue
yavele yenzeka after match nge-first yam ndipha ebalini ba okay ndiqala liwi because yayi-final ngalamini yabo i-final ke under 21 ighetto ne-Killers ne-Killers. So like bekuphela match yabo siyathetha namachita ngqibo wa-4 yabo so like asha machita ba how about sibethi nondoni interview ngona ke mina ke ngilamchita uthanda izinto khotman alijonga maseyenze ndayazi basayenza njani yabe nefoni khona yabo yaqala ngelahlobe ke khotman ndathi nami xa ndihleli pha kumntu ayibona okay
inswema
khona lephekekayo isho nami ndiyenze khotman
inswema lo njo
because like ndifumana support too much machitini
enyani jo ya support amajita yo jo
support amachita nenze bamangiqhubeke khotman ngalewi
because na izonceda bona at the same time yabona la document like enjoy online dog like mina interested kusoka yaso manxa yakho jo benibona kuyadlalwa bana but like I feel like ngoku faka nabanye abantu like apha like bayazi bakwenzeka none like it takes bengayana bakho ku website mina for league yasoma jo but ngibona phako ya poster la
yabo cause like ndiyabona namba ikhona ne support ngoku boma human stop Joburg Mpumalanga like kwabantu bangalamacala babukelayo ngoku abasupport amachita
yabo
so like yona nomna benibawela khomnani support like support ebonakalayo yabo eyo ndiyavuma ngoku isaqala liwi
ayisaqala
eyona nto ndibawula support ebonakalayo khomnani ngaphandle ko social media
kiwe napha egaming ngiyobukelwa kuthixen nezicouts lawe
bantu bakhe bayibona ibrole yasoma ba ikhona lekhoyo
but acho masiphinde sibuyele kulewe like liso lezo so utho isinga wena jo
mina ndiyisinga khotman nami
cula amagwitsho wena
amagwitsho nentwana zami
so into yamagwitsho ngeqala nini la into yanini le
yabo into yamagwitsho khotman into endikhule nayo yabo but like 2023 yabo besingcola lapha yoMahaya qala umfika yoMahaya singcola lapha yoMahaya so ke ngokume masabalala waqonda abana bangcolayo kanjani engasikeni bathatha nibenza isinto then wasithatha wasidibanisa sidibene nje kungenxa yakhe because besicula bona sizigroup ngegroup then yena waqonda ke uzasithatha yabo noJan wabelieve ukuthi too much ke
ngokuthi
wansiba ngcwabo sithi abantu abalida phambili yabo then ngiyosadibanisa nepoetry yabo kwegwitsho hayi ke ayifaya ke ngokhonani so ke from 2023 uzotsho ngoku oko besiphusha lo
nibetha amagwitsho la
khotman
mosi what's the name of a group yamagwitsho because intatsha like kuzentatsha la usemela ukuhle bona daman nanti mjidi ufuna number yakho la majida amagwitsho qhama amajida amagwitsho la so like ngubani like abantu baphakla group like into sayenzeka nawo
into esaqhubekayo le yakhomani into esaqhubekayo because umuntu ophethe indondoni
group
ophethe like aniphethe akho owner group but like i-social media platforms
nguwe lawe
umuntu like opostayo ufake zawe otherwise thina siyiGwitsho FM khotmani
Gwitsho FM afune ni check it out
because like siqale sayi-family before senze yabo
Gwitsho FM jo avune nijonge lawe
fire khotmani
koni aphile nintouch after nithetha ngalawe amagwitsho like yele
ngqomela khotmani yo nawo uzasibonela
nanzo sijongela jo amagwitsho jo khona ku videos zakho ndabona like ukusolo kugwitsho back like amagwitsho yena akanye like ino nje
abakhona amagwitsho amanye amachita nalawa because ngiqale ngalawa ngiqala amachita bona khona ukyenza faka wona ibackup yabo so like ndibethe indakenye ngiyabona indake ezibili ndifuna bone
nginibe lapha because jonga like cela ubuze yenza njalo we like we record amajita bethe amajita and then ufike phako like what tools do you use? Sebenzisa phone yakho, sebenzisa computer like
uthini
process yakho?
Sebenzisa phone like xa yabo xa senze interview
yeah
ndiqofa record efonini yami
Yeah.
yabo ndithethe ngefoni yami then ndibrazwe ngenye phone
awe
then laa mntu we-iPhone ke ukuyena uzandithumelela laa video
Yeah.
ndidibanise
dibanise
Yeah.
la
because ndinayo into ndonipha laa video maker ndenza video maker apha kum efowunini
awe do you like ezinye izinto sifuna like did you go on YouTube because nanda YouTube do can search efana qamajama ni edit hlobo la
man
anyeve sike wazenzela enqama yami wazibona
ingxaki ndiyabona man phaa kunononi phaa ku-TikTok
Yeah.
xa ndiscroll okay ndidibane ne-interview yabo
Yeah.
yabona ba okay idibana njani le yabo nalaa mjito ubanibani upinari udlalela i-Killers
sure
yabo uye wancedisa kulaa way yoba okay ndikwazi udibanisa la record
ne-video
yabo ya then
Sync
wanika
to
nala
video.
app yabo then ndazenzela ke mna ke ngokwami ke after ndiyibone kuye yabo
nantsimbu jolo la so like ukhawubira amajita phaka kulento kwiJo FM kokubani bana ba
okay phana ndiphethe asamkele maya
issue
uLathita Botomani
issue
uLisango Faltini
yeah
uSiphe Sihle Vuthuza aqhama mphakathi ngironde ngabiza bebaninzi hotman
baninzi
imali makinano esinako xabhuza like si close to 30 hotman xa sesiphelele sisonke
siphelele ninonke la kwiJo FM
xa sesiphelele sisonke hotman yabo
tin Facebook so where can we get like into yeni like kwiJo FM like where can we follow you guys on TikTok Facebook
ka TikTok hotman ka TikTok si kwiJo FM yabo
kwiJo
FM 23 then ka Facebook si kwiJo FM atin us
we okay
yabo.
ndayibona kiyo yakwisho la but yeah masekuwe mina nami like so wena mina namkhulelela ke woma like ufunda phi primary yakho ufunda phi high school yakho like has take a break la so usuka naseqonqa la
Yeah,
ekhayeni la emakhaya la
Yeah.
so when did you actually fike nini apha eBhayi
Like abebhayi khona yabo into yaseqonqa mandithi likhaya logodukela
Sure.
khona yabo like izange indala like ndakhe ndahlala pha
Yeah.
yabo ya
apha family yakhe ngeyabhana la
lapha khona ifamily yami yabo so like mina ndizalelwe yapha eHoma khona
yeah
yabo then I think ndambe yapha eHoma ndina 6 months
Ah, we.
ndahlala eMpumalanga
yawe suke eMpumalanga
so
jo
ndahlala eMpumalanga nje ndabuya I think 2016 sofunda grade 3 yapha
yo jo
yabo then ndakhula ke ngoku ndame ndayohlala eMotherwell ndabuya ndazofunda eMahaya ke
we like eMpumalanga benithethe phi language nithethe isishona iswati pa
Iswati pa
yo jo khazi yakwazi iswati
kodwa ngene umchozo mina khona but ndiyakwazi ndi-adapta rhoxa ndibuyele kwelaa cala
Yeah.
ndiyakwazi like
Obvia iswati saba ngathi nesizulu masimisene la
xa sofike phakathi kwabantu basekhomani
yo
ungaxakeka
haya
ungaxakeka otherwise mina khona ndi-out yalapha eHoma khona yabo
sure
nami ndikhule njengamanye amajita yabo ndingumjita ongamameliyo yabo
Yeah.
like nazinye time ziyothuka ngoxa sibona le content ndiyenzayo
jo
wena kaloku sikwazi ungamameli wena usithuka ngokuxa ubethe into ezilewi
yabo abantu bayatshintsha jo
bayatshintsha
jo noba nami abathi bancingele banami ngenza content because nami sesistratweni phambana la yabo
but izinto zichikile
and then udlala ibhola kodwa la
ya nami ndake ndadlala ibhola
la udlala iphi wena
ndadlala apha kaGetu iGetu uqala kwayo nandidlala phaa noZino avuzwa
avuzwa behembe la
sikhula noDamalakiwe phaa
Yeah.
so like mos iqala kwayo yayitimini none-area hlobana
Yeah.
yabo
Ghetto Stars.
yeah then nomisi khona umjita ohlala phezantsi yabo iHotman emhlophe yayidlala phana ngela xesha
ngala udlala ngalamaxesha la qha wena qha uqame yamani
hayi iHotman yo ndayibona ba man yo
nami joha like ibhola nje yami probably ixesha mangum la
yo
ixesha la
but bengikela izama nangondipha eMotherwell ngabo
Yeah.
nje ngikoni sekhululeko ndifuna grade 8 ngazama mama ndibuyele kuye but ndabona man ba manke ndiyisikolo man
isikolo la
ibhola
ejo grade 12 la how's it grade 12 la like ejo nifakwa ipressure yomahani laliswe esgela jo like
too much but
lo nyaka like how's it been for you like lo nyaka basically this is the last year like grade 12 so skolo lapha yabhala lapha like how do you manage between the content plus nesgela la
man angixoka kunzima manager
yeah
because like ndizohamba ndiye campini
yeah
mhlawumbe ndithi for ngokuniswa kwe 12 days camp kukho like ifinal ezadlala yabo umna ndisesikolweni uthi la uyazi uniphatha kahle kodwa ndifuna ukwenza icontent
yabona la
ndifuna uphaba ebaleni as then utishara wamseyazi ngoba yiwali noba nasikhulisa ngokuzathi yaxoka ndiyayazi ba khona imatch ekhoyo pha ebaleni yabo as then ke ukuyayazi umahayi ngokusingena from Monday to Sunday which is ke ngokwanikwazi like ufikelele ebaleni yabo so ufuneke ndibe nezamini yabo ndizokwazi uziba then if ndifikile ngalo mini ndenza sure ba ndiyasebenza nyani then ke ndimane ngoposter ke ndimane ngoposter la nalando yeplayer profile izenxa yalona okay ndiyabona ba okay andikwazi basebalini but into yeplayer profile ngakwazi uyenza ndilapha endlini then ndifumana nje information yomjita then ndityhale ngiyana xa ndisecampini ndine free period ndityhale la
Hanswemla we player profile khona sibona like players phan khona lena ngathi zoya eDenmark soon la
lo mjito
magolide like so zamanjani ezweza like xa benixelela manje like izinto zamanjani is like mhlambi baya trials okanye like bayanjani
like lamjita uye waya ku trials keep active
nawe
yabo so like nje beye ku trials keep active badlala bayana kwi camp yabo so like yena uye waphumelela because ngabe bebaninzi pha yabo then I think ihamba mhlambi 25 banqoki yabo ye players out of ababantu bebekhona bebonke
mhlambi kubana bayi 50 khethi 25
so like keep active like team like ayo team like team ekhoyo yabo iba team esoloko yenza trials
sure
yenza mhlambi yenza trials
abebani the best players
la ithathe udlalisa mhlambi ne unders ze Cape Town lo Cape Town City no then after londo nithathe ni Denmark la uyibenza londo kokoko bona benza lawe kokoko
mtsembo
ikrela la yam
swim and then khona avuzwambe hembe jo yo acho nga avuzwambe hembe like is one like can you tell me like what your thoughts on avuzwambe hembe do you think uzophumelela nani ku first team echipa jo
like bola mjita ta ngihlabeni bona ngalo mna I feel like lamjita impumelelo yakhe hleli kuye because ngihlabeni bona ngalo lamjita une advantage too much
yabo
wes like kule andadlala kuyo ngoku because ngoku yi-captain yabo une advantage too much lamjita because like une height like I height yakhe mina ngihlobeni like mhlobeni ngibona ngalo time lamjita udlala ingatha kakhomdi
mocha
yabo because like ibona easy wazola umfushane ozola so silindele lanto ebajo
jonga
tactical intelligence too much but yo abuzwa yo akhona ngayenziyo khona because like ngibona ngoku phaka nondoni phaka chipa bamsosile pha esuswini bamdropa bazomdlalisa apha center back but yo khona ndixelele lamjita ukora engathi udlala eFrance
ilento nithethayo lawe
bala udlala eFrance
nomjita iback kodwa like it's like 5 goals more than his strikers aku team la
I feel like impumelelo yakhe lamjita ilapha kuye ta
na inswim la wejo
lapha kuye
like so like ngiyambona Mozo Fabrizio Masromano lawe yeah like ngobani like abantu like Novino Snap ngobani like abantu eSouth Africa like ojonga kuwe that you look up to like abenza lewe kanye all over ke lawe
mina ndingathi nguVino Snap khona because like uVino Snap uthi yena ba is the eye of God liso lembili lisuka
yabona ke yo
isuka phala liso lembili yabo ithathe pha khayo nathatha yenze isithosa
dethe thosa la
otherwise nandi bukela kuVino
Vino
inspire khona yo
ayintswem lawe yenzayo jo ayintswem lawe
esendeni wenza wendifunayo ba okay athengele ne players selection Cox yabo azisipresident nebhola nendoni
even no step unangabi la ingathindala phela ngibiya ngathi incinci la mjita
animgqiba page kusinayo necrate
yona
necrate so animgqiba page
ishonyala qhubhe Vino Snap like nangabi le lena lawi so like when now you only focus on la league lapha woma kanye like are you trying to go like kwezinye like iBFA into la kanye uzoqala ngaleya lapha woma league
yeah man khabe nisisho khona because like eyona nto ndidinga equipment
yabo
banifumana like equipment then eninye ndifunayo ngabanenza enzoncedisana nabo like if kukamachita asakhulayo yabo abawula ukwenza lento ndiyenzayo because like mina ndixelele khona lewe ayokhayiriye kum ngifuna ngo ayokhayiriye cha into like endiyenzayo to pay back to the community yabo so like if kunoba khamajita like asixelele ba like mina ngifuna photographer yabo then ke ukumna ndingamthatha ndisebenze naye
yabo
then ena benefit mina yena ndifuna like abantu ba benefit ngamajita too much khona
khona ibona le nyani bekubekho like abantu bezo photographer phana fundini unikezwe even post page kanye
ndibone nomjita khona ngikhomana hlala eJerusalem le khona enye tournament beke yakhona like ebephethe mic phawuta busy commentator
lapho mala
lapho mhlala lapha eJerusalem khona khona like ubone ijongo zayijonga idelele iqonde ngomuntu nje but that ngoyibona phana bona khona sesiza nezinye nickname enzisebenzisayo ku profile ngizithatha bakla weyakhe ba okay khona nani mbamsini abahlobo wayethetha ngalo yabo so ngizathatha la nickname xa nibetha ngomuntu yabo otherwise mina like mina khona ndingathi ndibulela mani support yabantu abaninzi ta
Nswem lo yenza
nje support you too much
Nswem acho enjosiyeka nje I just ibona le way butitha ngayo like I feel like the reason why I'm busy lapha kodwa bona man mjita naye like yenza the same thing yenza content lawe yabo so you know what masim interview wishe lawe you know so like that bona ku night matches apha lawe like dala night matches apha manje like
kudala yenzeka lonto khonmani but ingathi bona bekho kwamoshakala
nezibane la emaphara
ezendene enye into iligate late khonmani
awe
late ligate because ezinye league iziphelile ezinye league iziphelile because kaloku like uLFA LFA khonmani league yokuqala
sure
league yokuqala phezulu league yabo then league kuzaba kuwafa kube kumofa kube kuzwifa kuLFA lo yabo cha ke ngikuzaba bone Motherwell ndoni yabo so like ethi league ilate khonmani so lewisileka yona
like how many teams dlala kule league
I think that is 15 16
and dlala matches ngaphi against each team 3
kanibona like fana
anya la dlala home and away basically home and away ngeke ngophi ngeyiphela idishayo ngoko nje like ngathi nguzikwazi yezwe
okwangoku khonmani seyigetho
start
but mandithi ilano yenzeka kwi Sundowns ne Pirates
okay that was a shuba yo
say Sundowns ne Pirates khonmani because irace
zenzeka jo
because no staff bunomamela la ndondolo
bonile la the reason why la no staff la
staff usabelieve too much
ba man jonga
ayikapheli
siwina kayithule bese iwina kwesithathu la
yabo ayikaphili but mina khona nami nenithethayo mina the best will win khona akhona seyithetha
yebonisa khali
yebona ingaske amachita like I believe yabo ngaske amachita believe ngela hlobo stava believe ngaphezulu stava believe too much
so like website so umefumaneka phi like le LFA ifumaneka like kwephi website like
mina ndiyazi ka Facebook ndiyazi ka Facebook
sure because ngo posters which or like nani interested amzibukela like as game la and ngathi kusheke 3 games over my pair la
kusheke ngari get isheke le 2 games yona then
ilenwe
igethu
ke upavele iphi team ke kwezi team manazi
umna khona nami mina ndingathi mina ndiyigethu
okay
ndingathi ndiyigetho ndisithanda zonke eziteamni but ndingathi ndiyigetho khona because igetho iteam yase-Erenyama
sure nawe ukhule udlala igetho la
and then izone Godmans zase-Erenyama zikhule zidlala pha yabo
nawe
and then ke no athi sibabaninzi badlala pha ndingathi libhavela
ndingathi nikubona poster fana nigetho hero like le noma ni heroes golden heroes kaninzi la
akusuba khona nami bo mangithi mhlawumbe ngingathi xa ndipha ebaleni reach abona
okay sure abona bafumaneka la
ngabona abantu bafumaneka zikhona ezinye team kaloku yokhona nami nenhloni ta awutale kuqala yanti udishaye khona nabo so like abantu like xa interview umuntu weGolden Hero yahamba man athi wami lo maza bona imqhelile so xa senze interview naye so like lisa adapt khona ngikabi like
sizoqhela nami lo yike Dutch abanye abantu fan Dutch abanqume yajo ngalena yayazi kanje yabo andathu ngomuntu jo si close off man khona
mama
si close so like when I like what do you wish for like nona funi achieve in the future ngalevi uyenza like funa uzibona uphi like what butell so you have say career like your hobby yabo
lelo benza yitho ngokhomani ba like mina eyona nendivuyela endifunayo mina nenoyivuyela khomani into bakubenefit amajidi
sure
yabo ingaske mina khomani ngokube interviewisha mhlawumbi uTastavo yabo kanye uSkipper okanye uMagolide ndibona uMagolide edlala eTV yabo then ngoqala ngibukela eTV ndiqonde
bona le
fethu like ndikuvezile
yabona lawe
to the world ngokulento ixhomekeke apha kuwe wena bawuthini ke ngoku
njalo
bawuyise ke ngomntanami yona ndifunayo mina le yakho man
yabe ngayicingalohlobo icela ngalo because nami kuchiwe kumthi man Lloyd fun nawe yabanike abantu like opportunity bamavezwe lawe yabona like into lapha kuye umuntu Joe like ba after that uzoyenza ntoni lawe
ngathini khona yabo so like yena naniba uyibona na like ne support
yeah
yena yabo kwangoku mina ngasifumana support khona abazali ungumuntu okhansila like masecwale ebalini
enyane laye
macwale ebalini khona nabe khona baneze then mina into endifunayo into yoba kubekho la way man of the match
ayikho lapha man of the match
khonani ayikho man of the match like ematchini nje enormal iba khona manje ndithi xa tournament kuthiwa man of the tournament so like mina benifuna into like
man of the match yebona ke ngenyinto efena bantsemu lawe after every game mhlawumbe if awukho phakhondo like lamajita akho zo record la yabo
mhlawumbe nansekembini abekhona umuntu man of the match yabo that's why ndifuna le way ibe official le way liso lemvili yabo ibe into illegal yabo bese izakwazi naxa kuthunyelwa imali for londo yabo ibe khona iaccount yabo for ukwenza yonke le
dog
otherwise vision isekhona khona seninzi leza kwenza
hayi ninzi like I wish ba like I just want you guys to win dog just want you guys to win so like le way like emakwethu nisayenza like into esayenza kayo le
into esayenza kayo into emakwethu nakos weekend okobe silapha kule migidi
migidi khona
sikhwaza lento khona
sewulabiza migidi inganye neqoma amasiziyeni mama Chidas nodlakaza igijo phana la
I think abo ngojuni decidele bamasini yabo eLondon kuzwi yabo otherwise siyazifumana ezinye bookings and then isikakhulu manje ndithi iba zichomi zethu
like abantu baziyo la amasizibani la
imgidi kaTabani manje yabo masimgidi kaTabani yabo then nasemengcwabeni ke mhlawumbe kusoleke lo muntu kokwena yabo ulapho uAjuice yabo then siye ke uthina siwenza lento esinzayo bayibona because yazi bayi poetry like yabaxolisa ba yabo then sokwenza into enjalo ke
Jobe ngumncaba omnyamjita kule weekend la ezola usiba uyile ba
ke kanikwazi kuya khotmani benibawula kuya khona cha khona nje into eyahamba khotmani yabo ndingakwazi ukuya otherwise tasoso nenda thetha naye
tasoso bepha
kwapha kuye lamjita yabo ndinathetha naye tasoso bayama khotmani nami yabo ndinawe all the way yabo nonke khotmani nani qha ke anikwazi ke ukuvela yabo otherwise ayisithindile way lamfethu
any question afuna ibuza champion
amna akana ndifuna uyibuza kodwa ndimwishela bon kongokuhlaza achuso wami maske bon yonke indlela yemba
yabo yabo siphethe iplayer eleni fan Orlando Pirates apha siphethe
kaloku ba
siphethe elendo apha iMan United la but mna ngiLloyd Stacks big Nia big Cwanini ubig Sibewu and on my side in Petro Liso Lemveli yamo. Thank you for watching. If you reached this point, it was quick, short and easy, but sinike nifuna uyazi khona nje ufuna uyiqhubezela wena like I just want to add on to abanye abantu la out there.
Man, I don't think like khona into like noithetha mina
nah no stress
cha noithetha mina ndingathi like ndiyabulela emajidini
yabo
ndiyabulela emajidini like ngesupport ndiyabulela ku coach yabo ndiyabulela kabaphathi beNondoni beleague yabo ndiyabulela like nakwabazali bami endlini yabo kunisupport kule way ngoba ndiyiqala yabo ndithi shout out naku utaphaka yabo specifically Vuthuza because nguye umuntu naye like oye wanami yabo kumina oqala
yabo
shout out nakunja yami yabo too much yabo for the love khotman yabo because like ayandana nyale bone khotman too much
it's real to have people that you know bahatsho yancanya lena fethu bona like izinto zenzeka lula la everything around you yabona la
because ikhona leboni
so taphaka uthi like nguye like wayenza kuqala kunawe le because deyibonile like umenzile ne picture la wefana la
la bingimbulelo lo wata because into enenze baba ndiye ebaleni yabo
nguye la we
nguye into enenze baba ndiye ebaleni so manje ngoyenza clips pha kuye yabo so naqona manje ngene ebaleni manje ngoko yabo because lesizafumana support nathi because yena lesifuna too much support abantu ebaleni xagcwele na
enyane la we
singabi like ingxaki woma yaziwa ngento ezingo ezirong da yabo too much so ngosizama like ucreator yabo
just space is safe manje babuka le match
iso lemvila izophelela ebholeni khona izaya na kwezinye izinto yabo arts and culture yonke le qha nje one step forward one step forward
sure. Hi, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for reaching this stage. If you reach a stage, please like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next episode. You sure? Snack follow sharp in jam.
On Instagram go Liso Lemvili.
Sure.
Yabo, and then ka TikTok Liso Lemvili.
And
ka Facebook Liso Lemvili.
Warmer Giants are nice.
Like same thing. Yeah,
same thing. I give it to la way. Lose alone, you win alone. You tin la way when the money prosper you train alone, you lose alone, but you win alone.